This video will help demonstrate how to remove an old halogen light globe from the ceiling and replace it with a new one. Firstly, we must turn off any power source at the mains. This is the switch for the lights. To identify whether the power has been turned off, test the other lights. Now that the power is off, we can remove the old globe. Make sure the old globe is not hot, then by using the tiny notches, we can twist the frame in an anti-clockwise direction and the globe will release from the ceiling bracket. Now we can remove the globe from the power cable clip by holding the clip in one hand and wriggling the globe away from it with the other hand. Once the globe has been detached, we can remove it by holding the casing with one hand and tilting the globe back into the metal bracket to release it. We can then secure the new globe into the casing using the same process in reverse. Now that the globe is in the casing, we can match the pins up with the power cable clip sockets and clip them together. It is now time to insert everything back into the ceiling unit by matching the little clips and twisting the globe in a clockwise direction until it is secured. Turn the lights back on at the mains, then switch the light on to test it. And we're done. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please like and subscribe to help the channel out.